Welcome to our channel Ma Chinnabadi. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. Please press on bell symbol to get notifications. National movement, the early phase. Political organization, that means first political organizations. Due to English education, so many were came to know what was happening across the world, and also they know how the British were ruling Indians, how the British were ruling Indians, and how they plunder our national, natural, and economical resources, and how they plunder our natural and economical resources, and these all were obviously criticized British administration in India. First political organizations. First one, Bombay Presidency Association. First one, Bombay Presidency Association. It was established in 1852. When it was established in 1852, and it was established at Bombay. Where it was established? It was established at Bombay, and it was established by Dadabhai Nauroji, Jagannath Shankar, and Navroji Pradhanji. These three members are the founders of the Bombay Presidency Associations. Those are Dadabhai Nauroji, Jagannath Shankar, Navroji Pradhanji. It was established to show the defects of the British rule. To show the defects of the British rule. And next one, Madras Native Association. Madras Native Association. It was established in 1853. It was established in 1853. And where it was established? It was established at Madras. It was established in Madras. What is the main aim of the Madras Native Association? The main aim or object was the Madras Native Association is problems. It was established to show the present problems facing by farmers. Present problems facing by farmers. And third one, London Indian Association. London Indian Association. It was established in 1865. It was established in 1865. And where it was established? It was established in a foreign country in London. Okay. And who were the founders of the London Indian Association? Those are Dadabhai Nauroji and W.C. Banerjee. These two are the founders of the London Indian Association. First one, Dadabhai Nauroji, and the second one, W.C. Banerjee. Then what was the main aim of the London Indian Association? That is unjustified harassments. By the British. Unjustified harassments by the British, to show unjustified harassments which were happening by the British across India. And fourth one, Pune Sarvajanika Sabha. What was it? Pune Sarvajanika Sabha. It was established in 1817. When it was established? It was established in 1870. And where it was established? In the area of Pune. Pune Sarvajanika Sabha was established. Who are the founders of the Pune Sarvajanika Sabha? Those are two people. First one, G.V. Jogi, and second one, Chipulankar. G.V. Jogi and Chiplankar were farmers of the Pune Sarvajanika Sabha. Then what was the main function of Pune Sarvajanika Sabha? That is, this organization given a memorandum. This organization was given a memorandum to Prince Victoria. To Prince Victoria. What about? About hateful conditions of the Indians. This is the end. If you having any doubts, please send to me and give your valuable suggestions. Please share, like, and subscribe this channel. Thanks for the watching. Have a good day.